Hi, my name is Paul. Today I'm going to show you how to change the sky of a picture in Photoshop, just like the one you see in my screen. So before we begin, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. You can also give it a thumbs up and also share with your friends. Now let's begin. Now, the first thing you're supposed to do, you come to the edit here, then you just go to sky replacement. Then it will give you this dialog box. Now with this dialog box, you realize if you click this one here, you will be given some uh, preset skies here. For example, if I click this one here, if I click this one here, if you look at my sky here, it is changing. If I click this one here, there are many options. Like you see, this one is becoming so cloudy. If I want it to be more cloudy, I can also choose this one here. There are so many presets that you can choose. I think I like, let me try this. Yeah, you can see this. You can also choose this one here. Now I just go back by pressing this. Then there's also these options here. Maybe you want to choose maybe something like a rainbow, you can see that. Maybe you want to choose something like a sunset, or I just cancel this. You can see this. If you double click, it will just bring you this, or you can also see this type of sky. You can also see this type of sky. So you can easily Photoshop auto generates for you skies. I think it's AI is so good, whereby you can just place the sky. You can see that maybe you want a very rainy day, maybe you can choose this one here. Now I'll also go back. There's also this aspects here, the sunset. The sunset here, maybe I choose this, see what will happen to my sky. If I choose this, see what will happen to my sky. Now there are so many options, maybe up to here. There are so many options that you can choose from. Now also, after choosing an option, just like I've chosen that one, I'll come here. You can also edit in terms of temperature. Maybe if I pull this slider here, you see it's becoming yellowish. If you look at my sky here, it's becoming yellowish. If I pull it's becoming more and more blue, just like that. You can also flip the sky. Flip. Maybe you want these ones to come down and these ones to go up. So I can just click here, flip. You can see it has just flipped. Now that's how to. You can also play around with these other options here, whereby you can also play around with this. For example, this hand tool, you can easily position it here so that you can easily edit it. You can also play around with. You can zoom just using that. I just go back. You can zoom that one just like that, and if I finish, I'll just press OK. Then it will be just like that. Then we have a new sky. Now I want to show you something again. I'll just close it. I'll come again and open the image here. Now again, I want to show you how you can import other skies from. Maybe you want more sky presets. I'll just come again, edit, sky replacement. Then this time, already the sky that you chose last time, is the one that will come. But now this time I want something else. I'll click this down. I'll click this down an arrow. I'll click these things like a cog. Then I'll come to download free skies. Then it will take me to the internet or the browser here, whereby I'll be able to download. Now you can see here I have these skies here that I can easily download. So I'll just come and download. That will just download. I'll also come and download this one here. I'll download. I'll also come and download night skies. I'll download. I'll also come and download blue skies. I'll download. I'll also come and download storms. I think I like storms. Yeah. So I'll download all of them. Then I'll let for a few seconds for all of them to be downloaded. Now after a few minutes, all my skies are downloaded. I just come to the first one here, show in folder. I think it will show me all of here. Here are all the skies that I've downloaded. But now I'll go back to Photoshop. Then I'll come again here. This time I'll come to this cog again. This time I'll get more skies. Then I'll come import presets. I'll come and import presets. Then I'll just come here. Here they are. You can import them one by one. Maybe start with the blue skies. Load. Here it is. I'll also come again. Import presets. Then I'll also choose night skies. I'll also come again, import presets. Then I'll also come again and choose spectacular and load. I'll also come again, import presets. Then I'll choose storm sun. I think I like that. Then let me come again in skies, import presets. Then I'll come and choose maybe the last one here, sunset. Now all of these are downloaded. So let me just try the first one. Maybe let's try the blue skies. I click this one. You can see the sky has changed. I think this is nice. Let me try the storms here. Wow. Yeah, you can see the storm has changed. Let me try the sunsets here. I think I like this one. Double click it. If I click this one here, you can see the sunset. Just let me try the spectacular one. I think I like this. So this wants me to give it a name. Now after that, you will just change your sky. Then I'll just come and click here, maybe, then okay. Now if you're very keen, it will duplicate here, but if I don't want it to duplicate, I'll come again here under sky replacement. But this time, maybe let me try to choose another sky. Also, let me try to choose another sky. Maybe come to storms again. Maybe I want to choose maybe something like this here, and make sure this preview is checked for you to see what's happening. But this time I don't want to duplicate layer. I want it to have a new layer. Then I choose here a new layer. Then I say okay. Now if you come here, you'll see the layer, all the layers that are used to make the sky. You can easily double click one for you to manipulate. For example, if I double click this one here, maybe I want to see, you can easily duplicate maybe the opacity and maybe other things. So you can easily manipulate it using here. So guys, that's how to change the sky of a picture. It is that simple. Just go to edit and choose sky, then you get the presets. Kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also give it a thumbs up if you find my videos. You can also share and like, but watch my next video.